steering. The handling though, round this corner, round the corner G80, no problem, no problem, no freaking problem. What you always say about a night drive in an M4? That's the one question. Why not, right? M1. Let's drop the top. Why not? I'm gonna take you guys on a little night drive. I really gotta go on the turnpike real quick. The sound though, holy shit, the sound, bro. The sounds this car make is nothing short of amazing. I keep on saying it, but the sounds this car make, which I hope, what you call it? Let me just put it in rear wheel drive for a second. Let's put it in rear wheel, yeah? Let's put it in rear wheel. Let's press M mode right here. Those brakes do squeak a lot. You're racing the RC cars. You guys like the M4, man, because I love it. Mustang, ooh. Come on now. It sounds so good. The Mustang is trying to follow. Where is the... Nah, I already passed it. Damn, sir, you just walk in the middle of the road like that? The Mustang going through there. He revved it. Come on, bro. You know you wouldn't be able to keep up if you stayed straight. Come on. Ooh, a G80. Nice. This thing is pretty decent on gas. Pretty sturdy too, right? But yeah, when I'm about to enter the highway of Mexico, of course, then I'll go ahead and put up the top, because obviously I don't want to top down on the highway. I'm just gonna blow out. Too much breeze. Then I'll put up the top end shape. But right now we're in rear wheel drive mode. Everything, let me show you how everything is set up. There you go. Comfort on the steering. And they can get to a light, right? Put it in my M1 buttons, and then it's all-wheel drive. Traction's still off, but now you can launch it, and it's gonna just take off. I should say Mexico. But yeah, now you can launch it, and it should just take off. Ready, guys? Let's see it. It's orange. You see what I'm talking about? That right there is what I love about the X-Drive. And the handling of this car, is a freaking amazing. All right, let me slow down a little bit. put up the top. I think it's 30 miles an hour, so I think we should be safe. But just in case, I'm just going a little bit slower. Listen to the pops. Roof up. The handling though, round this corner, round the corner G80, no problem, no problem, no freaking problem. This car is so fast, man. This car is so freaking fast. Something was in the road right there. That's why I had to overtake right there, right? And then, if you really want to, which you wouldn't, but you come like this, take it out of M1, and it calms down, and now you cruise. You put it back in this mode right here, so it's street. You come like this, turn up back the AC, you know what I'm saying? And then you go to your music, and just start bunk some tune. You see me? If I can figure out how to do the music part. Sometime I can't. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Android Auto. Wireless Android Auto too. And then, you know, just play some music. Get some copyright. And just chill. Okay. Alright. But we don't want to do that on this drive. So drop it back in M1. Go down some gears. Let's do a 60 roll, yeah? Third gear 60. 1, 2, 3. And slow it down. And it gets up to speed pretty fast, right? I hope you guys like the G80, man. I've been enjoying it. Check out the other videos as well if you haven't. Another 60. What do you guys think? Another 60? After this, I got a cruise. The burbles. You know what I love? The freaking sound it make as it's shifting, yo. You go. Brr, brr, brr. Everybody's been describing that as like if the car is dropping a bomb. Me, I go drop a bomb. Whoa. It's so, you can hear the burbles now like crazy. Guys, the burbles, bro. The burbles now are like crazy. Now I wish I had a camera on the back, man. I didn't know it would shift for me. That's why I wasn't trying. Sometimes there's cops down here, so let's ease off a little bit. Let's do it on a 60. 60. Holy crap. The shift sounds, guys. That car is coming up pretty fast, man. It sounds so nice. The pops, holy crap, the burbles. Hi, Mustang. You want the sauce, Mustang? I'll hand it to you. I'll hand it to you, Mustang. Now he's just going about his day, man. And the handle it. Of course it's good. Of course it's good. It's a G80. Oh shit, man. I like this G80, boy. I like this G80. Alright, guys. I'll pick up back in a second, man. Apparently I still gotta catch up, guys. So let's catch up. We're driving a G80, man. catch up. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Okay then. Little 130, something slight. You hear a lot of wind noise though at this speed. You coming over? Let's stay over then. Try to exit 30 or no?
Yeah.
Alright, man, catch up.
I want to stop at the car.
I engineer here, man. I engineer rough out.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as we get that space, I may catch up. Safe to say I got the space. I'm ready to exit now. You go up on the exit 30?
Yes, we pass exit and turn right.
Okay.
Whatever stop line.
Okay. Handle G80. I really, yo, this car is so freaking nice to drive, bro. Okay, I'm at the stoplight too. Wanna gone already?
No. Stop at the permit.
I don't know why he stopped right there. But yeah, guys, that's about it, man, for the G83 M4. I hope you guys enjoyed the content with it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment if you like the G83, man. And that's about it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah,
Up here, so.